First exercise.
Twisting crunch is a beneficial exercise for female fitness enthusiasts as it increases core strength and improves flexibility in abdominal muscles. It engages obliques for a comprehensive core workout and enhances range of motion and overall flexibility. Twisting crunch can be incorporated into a full body workout routine for a well-rounded fitness regimen. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Second exercise.
High knee tap exercise improves cardiovascular endurance. It strengthens lower body muscles such as quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and hip flexors. Engaging core muscles is a key aspect of the high knee tap exercise. High knee tap enhances balance and coordination. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Third exercise.
Sitting windshield wipers can strengthen and stabilize core muscles. Proper form and technique, such as keeping the spine straight and engaging core muscles, is essential for this exercise. Modifications and progressions, such as using resistance bands or ankle weights, can increase the difficulty of sitting windshield wipers. Common mistakes to avoid include losing control of legs, neglecting proper form, and using momentum instead of controlled movements. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Fourth exercise.
Lying tuck crunch targets the rectus abdominis muscles and helps strengthen and tone the abs. Proper form and technique, such as maintaining core engagement and avoiding jerky movements, are crucial for effective engagement of the abs and to prevent injuries. Controlled breathing enhances the effectiveness of the exercise and stabilizes the body. Modifications and variations can be made to target different areas of the abs and increase the difficulty of the exercise. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Fifth exercise.
Wipers. Straight leg, target core muscles, specifically obliques and lower abs. Proper form and technique for wipers include keeping legs straight and together throughout the movement and controlling the movement using core muscles. Common mistakes to avoid when doing wipers include swinging legs or using momentum, not engaging targeted muscles properly, and failing to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Sixth exercise.
Russian twist strengthens core muscles, including abs and obliques. It improves core stability, balance, and rotational power for sports performance. Russian twist reduces the risk of lower back pain and injury. It can be done with or without equipment, and there are variations and progressions to continuously challenge and strengthen core muscles. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Last exercise.
The L-sit targets multiple muscle groups, including the abs, hip flexors, and quads. Proper form and technique, such as engaging the core and maintaining parallel legs, are important for maximizing the benefits of the L-sit. Common mistakes to avoid include not engaging the core enough, allowing the shoulders to round forward and letting the legs drop too low. There are progressions and variations of the L-sit that can be used to gradually increase difficulty and challenge different muscle groups.